Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to star messages on your WhatsApp. I'll also show you how to view them for the future. This is extremely useful if you want to bookmark those messages so you can refer to them in the future quickly and easily. This takes away the hassle of going through all your chat history to find a specific message. So as always, make sure your WhatsApp has been updated to the latest version. Now let's go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Select the contact you want to star the message from. Then scroll through the messages and choose the message you want to star. Long press on it. A menu will appear. Then press star. Once you do that, a star will appear next to the message. Now in the future, if you want to refer back to all the starred messages on WhatsApp, go back to the front page of WhatsApp. Then tap on Settings. Then tap on Starred Messages. Here you find all the starred messages you have saved. Tap on a message to go to a certain chat history. You can also do a search if you have several starred messages to find your specific message. And there you go, that is how to star messages on your WhatsApp. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.